What is up, guys? It is Star Wars Gaming, and today we have a Star Wars card trader pack opening video. A new Rebellion poster came out. It's Sabine, so we're gonna head over to the cantina, and we're gonna open up some packs. So yeah, this is my first pack opening on the iPhone, or like video on the iPhone. So hopefully we can pull it. First pack, nothing much. Boba Fett, Skiff Guards, Yoda again, Pre Vizsla, John D. Brannon, Supreme Chancellor Palpatine, Super Battle Droid, R2, and Yarael Poof. Next pack, IG-88, Agent Kolar, Sly Moore, Qui-Gon Jinn, Mortis Sun. Wedge Antilles, Chewbacca, Mamau Nadone, Yoda, Mon Mothma, Jack Porkins. Han Solo, Darth Vader, Naboo Pilot, Obi-Wan, Captain Tarpools, Captain Typhoo. Got a lot of reds right there. C-3PO. Wow, all whites right there. That was bad. Next pack. AT-AT Driver, R2-D2, Count Dooku, Droopy McCool, Ugnaught, Yoda, Anakin Skywalker, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Uncle Owen. Ooh, that's a old one. This is the yellow one actually. So yeah, I think that we're gonna stop there. I'll just trade that for the new Sabine one that came out. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you ever want to send me a trade, Anakin2684 is my in-app ID. So just send me an offer, and I'll counter or accept or decline, whatever. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and peace.